beloved network T20 series presented by Bank Al-Falah. Afghanistan up against Pakistan, match number 2 of this series, live from the Sharjah Cricket Stadium. Afghanistan, of course, 1-0 up in this 3-match series.
The news from the centre: Pakistan captain Shadab Khan has decided to bat first after winning the toss.
Edge, oh, that is brilliant. Absolutely stunning catch. Diving away to his left. Gurbaz pouches it just above the ground.
He didn't score any run. It's 0 for 1 Pakistan.
Oh, tight, really tight. I think that's out. I think he's hit. Has he hit his pad or has he hit the ball? Maybe it's an inside edge. He's gone upstairs straight away.
Yeah, there were two sounds.
Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting. Pak team, stay with your original decision. You are on his screen now.
Took his time, made the right call, and it was spot on. Abdullah Shafiq, that is 4 in a row in T20 internationals. He is the first man to ever do that. Pick up 4 ducks in a row. None for 2.
There you go.
And that's into the gap as well. Lovely bit of timing.
Oh, what a shot that was. Cleared everything. Top sound of the bat, you knew where it's going.
Edge this time and gone. There's another one. And this time it is Naveen ul Haq who picks up the wicket.
Brisk start from Harris. Ended his contribution 15. It's 20 for 3. That was a brilliant hit from Mehmad Wasim.
Full toss, catch it is the call, but that's just sail over. That was one juicy full toss and Mehmad wouldn't miss that. Oh, he hasn't got hold of it. That's skied in the air. Will they get to it? 2 men under it. And it's been taken. He's claimed it. Omar Zai.
Probably would have been easier for Najibullah to take it, but he's effected the catch. He goes for 13.
Huge shot given. Once again failed to pick up that wrong gun from Rashid Khan. Azam Khan on that occasion, and he's not bothered to refer it. He's walking back.
Clever, very clever indeed, and it's gone all the way. 50 for Imad, only the second Pakistan player to do so against Afghanistan. That will be 4. Thick outside edge away to a vacant third. Get one, it might get one. Squeezed off the edge. Down to the boundary at third for 4. Shadab played it straight to the man who'd just been put back there. A try and pinch 2, he should be run out. No, good dive, very good dive. We will check this, but I think it might be 2 and we could be at 131 for Pakistan.
Yeah, freeze it when the bails come up. Yeah, I'm satisfied. I'm going to make my decision on the big screen.
Umpire Akbar Ali is convinced that's out, and rightly so, so it'll be exactly 130 for 6 in the end. And I just think that Pakistan will feel like it's a score with a very good bowling performance. They can defend, Tino.
Yeah, that's Samanullah Gurbaz down the wicket, creates that lane, and that's a massive six. That's gone on the roof. Again, he's dragged that from outside off stump. Didn't really get hold of it, but it's a huge vacant zone on the onside, so he'll fancy his chances. Well, before, when there's space on offer, there are certain things you got to deal with as a fielding side. He's gone through. In two minds for a moment, yes. He took the pace off and that has worked.
Usman Ghani goes for 7. Afghanistan lose their first, 30 for 1.
Hit down the ground, and that's the safest zone. And a welcome boundary that takes Afghanistan past 50. Oh, he already changed his stance. This could be a chance of a run out. It is. Gurbaz will have to go back to the dugout.
His contribution 44 from 49, hit 86 for 2.
That short ball, he's picked it up early and will get 4. Ibrahim Zadran carrying on despite Gurbaz falling. Edged and taken. Gleefully accepted by the wicket-keeper. And that will be the end of another set batter. Ibrahim Zadran will have to go.
Ibrahim Zadran contributed 38 from 40 deliveries. It's 1 or 2 for 3.
Hit down the ground and hit cleanly enough for 4. Najibullah Zadran. Fast ball, creamed away for 6. Could this be the defining moment? Change of angle, in the slot, and it's gone the distance. What a cracking hit by Najibullah Zadran. Oh, it's going to drop short, and once more it's gone for 4. Afghanistan win the match and also take an unassailable lead in the series. For the first time in a T20 international series, Afghanistan have beaten Pakistan and clinched a series. That's the match summary for you. Pakistan, remember, batted first. Their captain and Shadab had won the toss, elected to bat first. Just managed to get to 130 thanks to that big partnership between Imad Wasim and Shadab, because at one stage they were just 63 for 5 after 11 overs, but that final 9 overs and that partnership got them to 130. But in the end it wasn't enough. Afghanistan getting the winning runs with 7 wickets still in hand to clinch this match and of course also take an unassailable 2-0 lead.